Hello friends, this is the seventh part of a Linux tutorial in our channel. So in last video I have covered about a process management, about the basics, how it works and what are the types, and what the types will do, and how we have to cut the process. I have discussed all about in that previous video. So before going to a video, so please to share, subscribe, to comment to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the second chapter of a process management. So in last video I have told you about UID, PID and PPID and S time and TTY. So what is PID is process, is it process, that is PID means parent use interface identification, okay, that is number. So likewise, in this video I'm going to talk about, that is parent and child process, okay. Parent, just wait, parent and child process. Okay, what is parent and child process, what will it do? Okay, I'll just show you. So if I am having, this is my parent, okay, this is my parent, this folder is my parent process. So every Linux machine has a two types of process, as I have to say, that is process ID and parent process ID, okay. So most of the commands that you have on a shell are, what to say, mm, that is how to say that, parent means this is a parent, that is kali is means a parent. So if I'm going inside over that, it show us a some basic, some file information. See, this is a hack.py. This is said to be an pa- process ID, okay. So okay, I'm just made up some mistakes, okay. So to view into that, we have to give a command, that is a ps.-f, okay. So what is ps.-f? That is a process status with a full information that will give us a full data about that, okay. So this is all about a process, this parent and child process. Likewise, I said the parent means a home, that is a folder, the file that inside it has a child process, that is said to be a child and process, okay. Okay, what is next one is zombie, okay. Zombie and orphan, okay, orphan process. What is zombie and orphan process? When a child is killed, okay, the process, parent process is updated via signal child, okay. Then the parent can do some other task or restart a new child as needed, okay. This is a statement, right? What exactly it will do? Okay, I just tell you very clearly, okay. If, as I say, the parent and child, okay. So this is a alternative as zombie and orphan, that is same as well, okay. What is parent and child? Okay, if my inner file, that is a child file or child process, is being killed, okay, it, the intimation for killing, that after killing, the information is set to the parent, okay. Okay, the signal is set to a parent that your child file or child process is dead, okay. So this is what happens, okay. So the parent, that is zombie or orphan, has to think, we have to have a file, new file, or we have to exit. So you, if what to say, the parent thinks, if I want all the process, so we can get that file with a new one, and it can start a process with a fresh one, okay. If we don't want, it will exit, and it will, or we can say it as a delete, okay. So what this statement is, what the statement says to us, the parent of all process, that it init process, becomes a new PPID. In some cases, this is said to be an orphan process. When a process is killed, a PS, sorry, that is PS listing still shows the process with the Z state, that is said to be a zombie. As I said, the child is killed, the parent is living, that is to be, that is said to be a what does say that is zombie state. Okay, that is what is said here. Likewise, if a parent is dead, is parent what to say, there is no parent, the folder is there, that is said to be an orphan. Though there is no attachment between any of the files, that is said to be an orphan. Okay, that is zombie means any no process listing in over there. Okay, next one is what is job process, which is next one is a job process id. This is a process id, job id versus process id. Okay, I'll just show you job versus process id. Okay, this is all set to be. What is job versus process id? Okay, job id means the background and suspected process are usually manipulated via a job id. Okay, the number is different from a process id. Okay, process id and job id. Okay, the process id is very small compared to a job id. In addition, a job can consist of a multiple process running in a series at the same time. In parallel, the job id is easy to track a individual processing. Okay, when a job is running, we can easily track the data and what the file is being doing and what the file is happened, and it has been giving any signals or not, it been giving every information about a job id. The process id will also do the same things with the same use, with the same identification numbers. So we have to do that very clearly, and we have to know very clear about that what is a process id and job id will do in this thing. Okay, so before doing that, please do very, what is the you should be very clarified on what the things will do. Okay, so that you can be very useful in data analytics. Okay, okay, this is all about second part of process management. So please stay tuned for next videos, upcoming videos in my channel, so that you can get more informations about linux, and we can and I to share about python videos over here. You can watch so that you can be very easy in commands in if you are like to going in a hacking, so that it will be really useful for you. So thank you, please to share.